Hi, Capstone. So welcome to week 4. We are at the halfway point of the semester. And as I already said in the last video and everything, the mid semester portfolio update, which on the syllabus says it's due this Sunday, is actually due next Friday, May 9th. Okay. I wanted to give you a little bit more time to actually start getting that portfolio together. Some of you have already talked to me. Some of you, you just recently reached out to me with some ideas and thoughts. So I want to make sure you have time to start getting that put together. Okay. So this week, we're talking about career pathways. So I know last week we talked a little bit about the finding jobs and things like that. So really, this week's lecture is going to be a short one that really dives into the type of careers that are options out there. So I know the good news is that those of you that have reached out to me, you've already talked about what you're interested in. So I'm not really worried about this lecture. That's why I said it's going to be a short one, because knowing this group, this class in particular, it's not a big deal because you already have a guideline and understanding of where you want to go. But I want to just give some alternative pieces in the off chance that something changes for you down the line. So that's going to be this week's lecture. It's going to be really kind of short compared to the other weeks. Well, compared to the other weeks, there's been 2 other weeks with a video, and that was on my fault for the first week not having it. But in general, so yeah, I do want you to have that update for the portfolio, which I will explain in that lecture video a little bit for next week Friday, and really for the end of this week, I want you to figure out what your career goal is. What's the end goal for going into criminal justice or taking criminal justice? What do you want to do? Like I said, some of you have already talked to me about it, so I'm not too worried about that. But that's it. I'll see you in that short lecture video.